going on, people? Back at y'all again with another Best Life Moment with Coach P. Cooks. What I want to talk about in this Best Life Moment is settling. When I talk about settle, a lot of times in life we settle for stuff. You know, and it could be for various reasons, because that may be the best option we have at the time, you know. But even in settling for things at a particular juncture in life, guess what? Have forward thinking. If you settle for something temporarily, know your exit, you know. And also, if when it comes to things that you want out of life, you can't have the option A and you settle for option B, don't ever give up on option A, you know, because ultimately we live life in seasons, and option B may be your best option for the season that you're in, but don't ever give up on option A, you know. So in settling, understand that just because you settle doesn't mean that everything is over. It's a be all and end all, you know, when you settle for stuff. Always be forward thinking, you know, because sometimes you have to settle for something lesser in your pursuit of that which is greater, you know. And I've learned that throughout my IT career. You know, when I first came into IT, I had to settle for help desk positions. I had to settle for training positions. You know, I had to settle for independent contractor positions and all of that stuff in my pursuit of the bigger picture, you know, where I'm at now. And even where I'm at now, I'm still pursuing the bigger picture. You know, I'm still looking forward. I settle for this season in my life. Ultimately, the next phase of my life, I gotta push towards option A. You know, people always tell you, or you hear people say that if you have a plan B, it takes away from your plan A. Stop believing that stuff, you know, because if you don't plan to succeed, you plan to fail. So in your success plan, you're gonna have to have an A option, a B option, a C option, and sometimes a D option, you know, because contrary to popular belief, you still have to live. And if all you have on the table is option A and option A doesn't work, then what? So if you settle for something, you know, in this season of your life, you know, don't ever give up on the big picture, you know, because a lot of little steps build the big picture. You know, a lot of small successes builds momentum towards the big picture. So with that being said, when settling, know your exit plan and know the season in your life, and always be forward thinking. So with that being said, hope you enjoy this Best Life Moment with Coach P. Cooks. Peace, and I'm out.